Hi friends, in the continuation of Agentic RAG interview question answer series, we are moving to question number 121. What is the impact of embedding model choice? Domain tuned embedding improves recall in a specialized area. High dimension embedding capture nonsense but increase latency. Multilingual embedding expand cross-lingual coverage. Model updates may requires full indexing, embedding selections, define retrieval precision, recall trade-off. Moving question number 122. How do agents integrate structured databases with RAG? RAG retrieves unstructured knowledge. Agents query structured DB via SQL or APIs. Combine structured unstructured output in reasoning. Enhance factual precision by verifying against DB records, improve explainability with structured provenance. Moving question number 123. What is query decomposition in agentic RAG? Breaks complex queries into smaller sub-questions, retrieves evidence separately for each sub questions, combine result into a coherent final answer, enables multi-hopes and reasoning intensive tasks, reduce error propagation from overly boarded queries. Moving to question number 124. How do agents handle conflict regulatory requirement, retrieve multiple regulation and compare scopes, identify contradiction in obligation, provide side-by-side provenance for transparency, flag irrecognizable conflicts for human review, prevent compliance failure in multi-jurisdiction context. Moving to question number 125. How does provenance logging support compliance? Stories metadata on every retrieved document, logs, queries, scores, and retrieval parameters enable audit for external regulators, support reproducibility of outputs, provide accountability of autonomous agents. Moving question number 126. How do agents decide on re-rankers? Use lightweight rankers for fast tasks, heavy cross encoder for high stake queries, switch based on query type and urgency, cost aware planning balances, compare compute versus quality agents, dynamically tune re-ranker application. Moving question number 127. What are domain adoption technique for RAG retrievers? Fine-tune embedding on domain-specific corpora, use adapter layer for lightweight tuning, combine general plus domain-specific embedding, augments training data with synthetic domain queries, evaluate on in-domain benchmarks for tuning success. Moving question number 128. What is evidence aggregation in RAG workflow? Combine multiple retrieved passages into a coherent context, duplicate overlapping information, prioritize more reliable or recent sources, summarize evidence before passing to LLM, improve efficiency and reduce context redundancy. Moving question number 129. How do agents manage retrieval failures? Retry with reformulated query, expand search scope or corpus, fall back to general knowledge sources, escalate to human if repeated failure occurs, log failure for monitoring and training. Question number 130. What is tool augmented RAG? Combined retrieval with external tool calls, tools compute, verify or fetch non-text data, agent integrate tools output with retrieved docs, enhance factual correctness and actionability, expand RAG beyond pure text workflow. Please like, subscribe the channel. Thank you.